You searched how to buy shares of Chubb Corp, which is a global property and casualty insurer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CB. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro here as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your identity with a government ID and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CB, then select the result that shows Chubb Corp to ensure you have the correct listing. On the Chubb Corp stock page, you will find basic company information, a price chart, and trading details. Double-check it shows NASDAQ and ticker CB to confirm it is correct. To place a buy order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to review the platform used as an example.